Good afternoon to all attendees and the guest of honor today, Mr. Ewald Biemans. Regretfully, I cannot be present at this special celebration as I am abroad at the moment. Nevertheless, with a great sense of pride, I am presenting this speech to a person who has worked so hard for our tourism industry. The moment we received the request for a formal dedication for Ewald from TISA and the team, we were happy to assist them through the process as it is a well-deserved recognition. The request was presented in the Council of Ministers, all of whom were eager to sustain the cause. DOA also gave their support so everything could be ready for today. Normally, there are different criteria that should be in place before a candidate can receive a street name dedication. One of these criteria is the age of the candidate. In the case of Ewald, an exception was made since we are talking about someone who has been a pioneer on the island in various aspects of hospitality and sustainability throughout his long trajectory in the industry. I am personally very proud of Ewald and his achievements, and I look up to him as an example. Thank you for your contribution to our island's tourism industry, and congratulations on yet another wonderful achievement. Otmar Odiber, Minister of Tourism, Transport, Primary Sector and Culture.
We are so grateful. I'm personally very honored to be here and to share some of my words, my thoughts with you and all present. And of course, we would love to see Ewald for many more years. We would love to see an active Ewald for many more years in the tourism industry. I'm sure that your team at the hotel as well would love to see you every day, day and out. Sometimes not, maybe, I'm not sure. But in any case, your contribution to the industry has been significant, has been imperative, and without a doubt, you're a pioneer for what Aruba's tourism industry represents today. And I'm sure you have a long list of more things that you want to accomplish. So please continue with your efforts, especially on the area of sustainable development, which is so important. So Masha danki. And congratulations, I have to say. Congratulations, well deserved. And it was our pleasure to be part of this project, I have to say. A distinct honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Va bien, no?
Thank you.
Yes.
I have to tell a little joke.